If you cannot connect to the internet on your PC, you should check the 7 things that I'm going to tell you. I just put the common and important issues at the beginning to resolve your problem as fast as possible. Let's go. Number 1. Check the connections. The first thing that you need to check is your internet connection. If you use a Wi-Fi router, just connect into it with using your phone so you can test that your internet works well. After that, it's the time to check internet settings on the PC. So let's go. Number 2. Check PC internet settings. Go to search part and find CMD. Open it and type ping 8.8.8.8 for 8s with dots. If you see a reply from, it means that that's a good sign. So your internet is connected into the PC, but your settings are wrong. Okay, I just keep it in here and start telling the other things that you need to check. Number 3, the most common problem. This problem happens in most of the time because the VPN software that you use. Okay, the VPN that you use didn't delete the DNS settings and you have a problem that you cannot connect into any website. Okay, it means that your internet connection is sucks. So to resolve this, just search on your Windows proxy and open it. After that, you will see use a proxy server and you need to open it and set it on off. Use the proxy server is the bottom one. Don't change the first one. Number 4. Firewall problem. Open the firewall with just searching firewall in the Windows search. If firewall is active on the public network, all the settings are fine. To ensure that, just turn off Windows firewall with the way that I will mention in the video, and after you test your internet connection, turn the firewall settings back on. Because it's not good to turn the firewall off. Use logo plus R to open Windows Run and then type wf.msc. With this way, you can open the firewall panel and in here click the first one. I mean Windows Firewall Advanced blah blah blah. Then go to the properties and turn off public profile. By the way, you can turn off other firewalls to test your internet, but as I mentioned earlier, bring back the firewall settings after you test the internet connection. Number 5. DNS problem. If you're using your personal computer, do the things that I will tell. I mean, if you're working in an office, just tell the network admin to fix your problem. Again, open the CMD and in here test this command line, ping google.com. You should see a response from Google. By this way, you can understand that the internet connection works, but DNS has problems. Right now, it's the time to do cool things. Again, press logo plus R, then type ncpa.cpl. I just type it in the video so you can easily type it. With this way, the network panel opens for you. Now find your Ethernet connection if you're using a LAN. If you don't use a LAN, just find your wireless internet connection and right click on it. After that, you need to go to the properties, then find Internet Protocol version 4, and then go to the properties of that. In here, you'll see DNS part. I recommend you to set it on Obtain DNS Server Automatic. So with this way, your modem router gives your device DNS. But if you want to use DNS, I got you covered. At the screen, I will type you the most popular DNS with the companies that made them. My recommendation is use the first one, Google DNS, and the other one, Cloudflare DNS. With this way, you always have internet. Maybe when Google is broke, you don't have internet. Google is the whole internet. It never breaks. That's just kind of a dead joke. Number 6, connection is disabled. You might think that, okay, you just connect all the things into your device. As an example, if you're using a router, you just connect the LAN cable into your PC, but at the bottom right part, you'll see that you're not connected. So you need to open logo plus R and then type ncpa.cpl. You just directly go to the network panel, and in here you need to find your Ethernet network and double click on it. With this way, you can turn that on. You can also right click on it and press on enable. Now test your connection. It will work. Now let's talk about the final one, antivirus apps. Maybe you install an antivirus or a secondary firewall app. In this scenario, turn them off and check your internet connection. These apps are not letting your device connect into the internet, so you need to turn them off. I hope that your internet connection problem resolved, but if it didn't, just tell a technician guy to check other situations. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. If you like this type of videos, you can watch the other one too. On that one, I will tell you 10 most useful apps that you need to install on your operating system. But for now,